Write the statement below as a biconditional statement. If the statement is true, then enter true as your answer. If the statement is false, then enter false as your answer. If the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then one angle measures 55 degrees and the other angle measures 35 degrees. So a biconditional statement, I would put the hypothesis first for this if-then. So it would be the sum of two angles is 90 degrees. I'll use a degree symbol there. So that's the hypothesis. Then I'll put the if and only if. And I'll put the conclusion for the if-then statement. One angle measures 55 degrees and the other angle measures 35 degrees. Okay, now there's an if and only if, or biconditional statement. And notice the strategy that I used to create it. I wrote the hypothesis, then if and only if, then the conclusion. So let's read this statement and see if it's true. The sum of two angles is 90 degrees, if and only if one angle measures 55 degrees and the other angle measures 35 degrees. Well, that's not true, because any two angles whose sum is 90 degrees could be possible angles. In other words, you could have 89 degrees and 1 degree. That's just one example. But those two angles add to 90. So just because two angles add to 90 doesn't mean they have to be 35 degrees and 55 degrees. So the answer here is clearly false.